Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called Christmas Exclusive Decor Club hosted by Really Good Living. So the co-hosts are JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, the Rodgers House, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Buckeye Girls Wreath and Things, a Happy Hoarder, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's me. So what we ask is that you head on over to each of our channels, which I'm going to go ahead and link below, the host channel, Really Good Living, and all of the co-hostesses. I will be linking their channels below along with the playlist. So what we ask is that you full watch the videos, that you subscribe to our channels, and then enjoy the playlist so that you can get ideas for the holidays. Most of all, have fun. Okay, so what I did want to let you know is that during this series, we will be posting throughout the month of July on the 3rd, the 10th, the 17th, the 24th, and the 31st. Okay, so the rules of this collab are really easy. For each week, Lady Phoenix is going to be giving us suggestions, but pretty much it's freestyle. So let's jump into the video. I'm really excited about this series, so let me tell you what I will be creating. Okay, so we are going to be decorating my first floral arrangement for the holiday. So what I'm doing here is I am embellishing the bottom rim of this vase. I absolutely love that vase. I think that vase was thrifted. And then I'm going to be showing you the florals and how I decorate my first vase for the holiday. And I'm really excited. So this piece right here, I think came out absolutely beautiful. Nothing was overdone, and it was just along the bottom, and look how beautiful that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. So now we move on to the next step. So what I'm doing here is placing a floral foam inside of that vase. Now I had some white roses. I'm going with the more tone mute colors and not the bright ones. So I'm going to use the roses to go all the way around the vase, including the center, before I place my Christmas or the holiday florals over the top of that. And that is so that you can't see inside of the vase. Now we move on to the next step. So I'm absolutely loving how these white flowers look all by itself. But since we're decorating for Christmas, we're going to go ahead and now we're going to place the flowers one level above those roses, since we already covered the bottom half and you cannot see inside of the vase. Now we're starting to stick in the Christmas picks, and those are absolutely gorgeous. So while I'm putting this arrangement together and finishing this off, I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you to Lady Phoenix from Really Good Living for hosting this collab. I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you guys are too. I am loving the results of how this arrangement is coming out, and I hope that you love it too. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you are having an amazing day and getting great ideas from all of these wonderful people who are joining in on this collab. Have an amazing day. So this arrangement came out absolutely gorgeous. So now let's take a look at the reveal.